5 car wash brands you should never visit, and 3 which can help you save thousands. Most drivers believe a car wash is a simple, harmless service. But what if I told you that some of the most popular car wash brands in the country are quietly responsible for scratched paint, faded clear coats, and thousands of dollars in long-term damage? Today, we're exposing 5 specific car wash brands that automotive professionals and consumers consistently criticize, and why choosing them could cost you far more than you expect. Car manufacturers invest heavily in paint technology, but even the best factory finish can be ruined by poor washing practices. Industry experts agree that repeated exposure to improper washing systems is one of the fastest ways to degrade a vehicle's appearance and resale value. Yet many drivers unknowingly trust large, recognizable brands without understanding how those systems actually work. This countdown is not about personal opinions. It's based on consumer complaint patterns, industry practices, and long-term vehicle care principles. We're starting from number 5 and working our way to the most damaging option of all. 5. Zips Car Wash. Zips Car Wash is one of the largest car wash chains in the United States, operating hundreds of locations across multiple states. The brand is built around a high-volume tunnel wash model, meaning speed and throughput are prioritized over individual vehicle care. This business approach allows Zips to process a massive number of cars daily, but it also increases wear on equipment and reduces cleaning precision. In recent years, Zips has faced financial restructuring and operational pressure, which often results in deferred maintenance and reduced staffing. When maintenance schedules slip, wash brushes and cloth systems are more likely to retain dirt and debris, increasing the risk of micro scratches. Many consumer reviews reference inconsistent results between locations, suggesting uneven quality control across the brand. The long-term issue with Zips is not a single bad wash, it's repetition. Vehicles that pass through these systems weekly or monthly accumulate clear coat damage that becomes visible only after significant deterioration has already occurred. 4. Crew Car Wash. Crew Car Wash is widely known for its clean facilities and customer service, but from a vehicle care standpoint, it has limitations. The brand relies heavily on brush-based tunnel systems, which inherently involve physical contact with the vehicle's surface. While marketed as soft cloth, these materials still collect contaminants from previous cars. Over time, repeated contact, even with soft materials, leads to swirl marks and paint haze, particularly on dark-colored vehicles. Many detailing professionals note that vehicles frequently washed at brush-based chains require paint correction far earlier than those washed using touchless or hand wash methods. Crew's subscription model also encourages frequent washing, which compounds the issue. 3. Mr. Car Wash. Mr. Car Wash is one of the fastest-growing car wash brands in North America, operating over 400 locations. Its success is driven by efficiency, membership programs, and rapid expansion. But rapid growth often comes at the cost of consistency. Many Mr. Car Wash locations operate with aging equipment and high employee turnover. This can result in rushed service, incomplete cleaning, and insufficient attention to equipment condition. Consumer feedback frequently mentions water spotting, leftover residue, and inconsistent drying performance. From a technical perspective, Mr. Car Wash systems often rely on aggressive detergents to compensate for speed. These chemicals can strip protective wax layers prematurely, leaving paint exposed to environmental damage long before most drivers realize what's happening. 2. Quick Quack Car Wash. Despite its popularity, Quick Quack Car Wash has drawn criticism from automotive enthusiasts and detailers for its reliance on high-pressure, fast-cycle tunnel systems. While the brand emphasizes eco-friendly practices, water efficiency does not automatically mean paint safety. Quick Quack locations focus on rapid exterior washes, which limits dwell time for safe dirt removal. When contaminants aren't fully loosened before contact, friction increases, raising the likelihood of scratching. Dark paint owners often report visible swirl marks after extended use. The brand's unlimited wash memberships encourage frequent visits, which intensifies cumulative damage. 1. Gas station-affiliated brush washes. Shell, BP, Exxon Partners. The most damaging option of all is gas station-affiliated automatic brush washes, often found at Shell, BP, Exxon, and similar fuel stations. These systems are not operated by car care specialists. They are secondary services designed solely for convenience. Maintenance on these machines is typically minimal. Brushes are rarely replaced on ideal schedules, and cleaning systems are basic at best. Dirt, metal particles, and road debris accumulate quickly, turning every wash into a high-risk procedure for your paint. Automotive detailers consistently identify gas station brush washes as the #1 cause of severe swirl marks and premature paint failure. While they may be cheap and fast, they represent the highest long-term cost to your vehicle's appearance and resale value. A clean car should never come at the expense of permanent damage. The brands on this list succeed because they are fast, familiar, and convenient, not because they are safe for your vehicle. Avoiding them can preserve your paint, protect your resale value, and save you thousands over the life of your car. Most drivers think getting a car wash is a harmless routine, but the reality is that where you wash your car can quietly cost you thousands over time, because repeated exposure to high volume, brush-based, and poorly maintained wash systems is one of the fastest ways to destroy modern automotive paint. Despite heavy investments by manufacturers in advanced clear coat technology, that protection is no match for aggressive tunnel washes that prioritize speed, memberships, and convenience over vehicle care. From large chains like Zips, Crew, Mr. Car Wash, and Quick Quack, where inconsistent maintenance, contaminated soft cloth brushes, harsh detergents, and rapid wash cycles slowly introduce swirl marks, haze, and premature clear coat failure, to gas station-affiliated brush washes at Shell, BP, or Exxon that are widely considered the most damaging due to minimal upkeep and non-specialist operation, the pattern is the same. The damage doesn't happen in one wash, it builds invisibly over dozens of visits. Subscription models encourage frequent washing, which accelerates paint wear even faster, especially on dark-colored vehicles, reducing gloss, weakening protection, and lowering resale value long before most owners realize what went wrong. In the end, these brands succeed because they are fast and familiar, not because they are safe, and avoiding them, or choosing paint-safe alternatives, can preserve your vehicle's finish, maintain its value, and save you thousands over the life of your car. 3 safe car wash brands that actually save you money. After exposing the car wash brands that quietly damage vehicles, it's important to understand that not all large car wash companies are harmful. A small number of brands have invested heavily in safer wash technology, consistent maintenance, and vehicle-friendly processes. These brands focus on long-term customer retention, not short-term volume, which means they have a financial incentive to protect your car rather than wear it down. The following 3 brands are widely recognized by car owners, automotive professionals, and detailing communities for minimizing paint damage, preserving clear coat, and reducing long-term ownership costs. While no automated wash is perfect, these brands are considered far safer than industry averages and, when used correctly, can save drivers thousands in repainting, detailing, and resale value loss. 3. Autobell Car Wash. Autobell Car Wash has built its reputation around a strong balance between automation and vehicle care. Unlike high-speed tunnel chains, Autobell emphasizes controlled wash cycles, proper pre-soak stages, and frequent equipment maintenance. Their systems are designed to loosen dirt before any physical contact occurs, significantly reducing friction between the vehicle surface and wash materials. One of Autobell's strongest advantages is consistency. Locations follow strict operational standards, which reduces the risk of neglected brushes, clogged water systems, or worn cloth materials. This consistency matters because paint damage is rarely caused by one bad wash. It happens through repeated exposure to poorly maintained equipment over time. Autobell also focuses heavily on interior care, which many automated brands neglect. Proper vacuuming, controlled moisture use, and trained staff reduce the risk of mold, odor buildup, and fabric degradation. These interior preservation practices help maintain cabin condition, which directly impacts resale value and long-term comfort. Vehicles that maintain clean paint, intact clear coat, and well-preserved interiors retain value longer and require fewer corrective services. That means less spending on paint correction, interior reconditioning, and cosmetic repairs over the life of the vehicle. 2. Delta Sonic Car Wash. Delta Sonic is often cited as one of the most technically advanced car wash brands in North America. The company invests heavily in water filtration, controlled chemical ratios, and modern wash systems that reduce abrasive contact. Their approach prioritizes cleaning efficiency without relying on overly aggressive chemicals or excessive mechanical force. A major strength of Deltasonic is its strong pre-wash and rinse process. Dirt and road contaminants are softened and removed before brushes ever touch the paint. This dramatically lowers the chance of micro scratches, especially compared to low-cost tunnel washes that skip or shorten these steps to save time. Deltasonic also maintains some of the strictest equipment replacement schedules in the industry. Worn materials are replaced before they become hazardous to paint surfaces, and water systems are filtered to prevent mineral buildup. This level of maintenance is expensive for the company, but it protects the customer's vehicle. 1. IMO Car Wash International Model Organization. IMO Car Wash is one of the largest international car wash brands and operates under a highly standardized global system. Unlike many rapidly expanding chains, IMO focuses on controlled growth and strict technical guidelines for every location. This reduces quality variation and improves overall safety for vehicles. IMO's wash systems are designed around low-pressure contact, combined with advanced detergents that break down dirt without stripping protection. Their equipment emphasizes gentle motion rather than aggressive scrubbing, which significantly lowers clear coat wear over repeated visits. Another major advantage of IMO is staff training and operational discipline. Employees are trained to monitor equipment condition, water quality, and wash performance daily. Problems are addressed early instead of being ignored until customer complaints pile up, which is a common issue in poorly managed franchises. Cars washed regularly at IMO locations tend to maintain gloss, color depth, and surface smoothness longer, reducing the need for corrective detailing or repainting. Over time, that preservation directly translates into lower ownership costs and stronger resale value. Safe car washes don't just clean your car, they protect your investment. The brands listed here succeed because they understand a simple truth: customers who don't suffer damage keep coming back. By choosing safer, well-maintained car wash brands, you avoid hidden costs, preserve your vehicle's condition, and save serious money over the long run. At the end of the day, a car wash should never shorten the life of your vehicle. The brands and systems we expose today don't cause damage overnight. They cause it slowly, silently, and expensively. Scratched paint, faded clear coats, and lost resale value are not accidents. They are the predictable result of choosing convenience over care. By avoiding the wrong brands and choosing safer, better-maintained car washes, you're not just keeping your car clean, you're protecting one of your biggest investments. The difference between a car that looks worn after a few years and one that still turns heads often comes down to simple decisions like where you wash it. Safe car wash brands understand that long-term trust matters more than short-term volume. They invest in better systems, better maintenance, and better practices. And that's exactly why they save drivers thousands over time. If this video helped you see car washes differently, make sure to hit the like button. It helps this content reach more drivers who might be damaging their cars without even realizing it. Subscribe to the channel for more real-world automotive insights that actually save you money, not marketing myths. And let me know in the comments, which car wash do you currently use, and have you ever noticed paint damage or swirl marks? Because when it comes to your car, being informed isn't optional. It's expensive not to be.